Ad Lib and its namesake is that of spontaneity. My name is Anthony Bianco, and I'm the executive chef of both 1700 Degrees Steakhouse and Lib Craft Kitchen Bar. Our shepherd's pie currently is something that we've had on the menu since our inception. We braise lamb legs for hours on end, have that with seasonal vegetables, and top it with mashed potatoes. It's really rich and hearty. Our craft cocktail list is truly made in the same vein as our food. We take a playful, seasonal approach to them. My favorite one currently is really our off-the-wall Manhattan. It's a little spin on traditional Manhattan. We use Woodford Reserve with a little sweet vermouth, Luxardo cherry, and then we add a couple different bitters. We use cardamom bitters for a little bit of that eucalyptus-y background note, and then also black walnut bitters, which really warms the whole thing up and makes it a great cocktail for the season. Ad Lib keeps its creative edge during our brunch offerings, but also you sit down with your friends and our spontaneous brunch, food just starts coming to you. I know when I'm going to brunch, the last thing I want to do is think. I want to wake up, I want to have a Bloody Mary, I want to have a mimosa, and I want to be fed. Ad Lib is spontaneous. Ad Lib is exactly what you need it to be. 1700 is an experience you should get lost in. Nothing beats a steak with well-integrated marbling. It really is the differentiator between a good steak and a great steak. Our award-winning wine list here at 1700 is truly on par with the greatest wine list you'll find. Now, when it comes to our bison ribs, they're truly remarkable. We rub them down in cocoa powder. We dry braise them in our oven for 5 hours on end. We let them rest, and then we glaze them with the barbecue sauce before we put it in that 1700-degree broiler, really get that tack and that glaze on the ribs. And then we finish them off by putting them over some rich Anson Mills polenta, a little pomegranate salad, and a nice anise and lime vinaigrette. We try to push the creative limits for the city, and we really try to create unique flavor profiles that are going to be cutting edge and inspiring to those who dine with us.